Good news, everyone. The EditAnything LoRA implementation in Wan2GP has been recently updated to support reference images now as well. But first, what does EditAnything do? Well, just like its name suggests, with this LoRA, you can edit existing videos to your liking. The capabilities are shown on this GitHub page. Adding, removing, or replacing subjects or objects in your control video, or even changing the video's style is possible. You'll find lots of prompt examples here. We will try to test all of the editing tasks today, except the motion transfer, as I think the official IC LoRA does overall a better job with that. New to Wan2GP is the Reference Video2Video functionality, so we will look at this one first. Note, however, this is still an experimental feature, and thus results can vary a lot in quality and consistency. Let's open up Wan2GP and select LTX 2.3 EditAnything Ref V2V at the top. I will use the distilled version 1.1 of LTX. If you have already downloaded this checkpoint, Wan2GP will only need to download the LoRas by Allisonerdx during the first generation. I have prepared this 10-second clip of a woman in a cafe.
Are you in good company, ma'am?
Everything is portastic.
Let's select it as control video. Additionally, I generated this image of a Bengal cat in Flux 2 Klein 9b. For the prompt, you need to describe exactly what you want to see in the resulting video. In this case, the prompt is the following: add a Bengal cat sitting on the table on the left side of the frame next to the woman. The cat is slowly walking over the table from left to right. Since the control video is 10 seconds long at 25 FPS, let's set the number of frames to 250. Also, let's go to the advanced mode and override the frames per second to match the control video. We can leave the other settings as default for now. This is the generated result.
Are you in good company, ma'am?
Everything is portastic.
The cat got placed into the scene nicely, however the prompt was not followed precisely in terms of the cat's movements. But for an experimental LoRA, this is still a decent result. Let's try something different now. I'm going to use this video of a woman on a street in Paris as control video, but I don't like her outfit, so I want to replace it with this white dress. Let's write the prompt as described on the GitHub page. Replace the red shirt and blue pants on the woman's body with a white dress. Let's also change the generation to one phase only. This way, faces that are appearing smaller in the video should be generated more sharply. The generation is finished. Let's watch the result.
Welcome to Paris, where dreams come true.
The dress got copied over to the woman almost perfectly, even though she is also turning around where the model had to guess how the dress looks from behind. Only the straps on the dress got changed a little bit. Also, the facial features are still quite mushy, but this was the case in the source video already and is a limitation of the LTX model itself. Next, I'm going to show you how to use the No Reference LoRA. This version of the EditAnything LoRA is only based on prompting, so no reference image is provided here. Go back to this Hugging Face page and download the EditAnything v1.1 rank 256 LoRA file. Place it into Wan2GP's LoRa's folder, into the LTX2 folder. Go back to Wan2GP and press the refresh button if needed. Choose the normal LTX2 distilled pipeline. Now select Text Prompt Only. For the control video, select LTX2 RAW format. I'm going to use some real footage now. I found this stock footage of a man in an office. What about we add a second person into the video? The prompt is, add a blonde woman wearing a white blouse and blue jeans, standing behind the man on the right side of the frame. She says to the man, stop doing boring office work and start doing magic with Wan2GP. This one will be interesting as the source video has no audio at all. Let's see if the dialogue is also added to the scene. Important. Select Generate Video based on Control Video, its audio track and text prompt. Then we're going to set the video length to match the control video's length and select one phase only again. Make sure the frame rate matches the control video and change it if necessary in the Miscellaneous tab. Go to the LoRa's tab and choose the Edit Anything LoRa from the list. Set the strength to 1. Let's hit Generate and see what we get. At 720p, the generation took some time on my machine, but here is the result.
Stop doing boring office work and start doing magic with Wan2GP.
Well, having 2 women was not what I was expecting, but I'll take it. Surprisingly, the audio was also generated, which is nice. I have prepared some more examples using a video with multiple people. I first tried to remove the 2 men walking behind the 2 women, and in another generation remove the cup from the woman on the right. We can see the limitations of the LoRa here. Even after multiple attempts, it only managed to remove the upper body of one of the guys. For the other removing task, removing the cup was only done during the last few seconds of the clip. How about something more easy? I used this video of a woman walking on a street and used the minimalistic prompt, remove the cars in the background. This is what we got. The LoRa could handle this task more easily, although there is some noticeable ghosting happening on the woman's body. Let's try replacing clothes again, but now without a reference image. Using this video of a man at the sea, I wrote the following prompt: replace the white shirt on the man's torso with a green military jacket. Here is the result. The LoRa did a very good job with this one. Okay, there's one last thing the Edit Anything LoRa should apparently be capable of, and that is changing the video's style. The video I used this time shows a group of people making music at the beach. I copied over multiple exact prompts from the GitHub page, including for changing the video into an American cartoon style, into a watercolor painting style, and into a pencil sketch style. Unfortunately, the first 2 didn't work at all, as you can see. The only changes you can notice are a higher contrast and an added frame to the video's corners. Only the pencil sketch style got somehow implemented. Maybe the control video was too challenging for this task, but I am not sure. To conclude, the Edit Anything LoRa definitely still have their issues, especially with removing or replacing stuff, but they're a lot of fun to play around with, and you will eventually get something usable if you are precise with your prompting. Unfortunately, changing the video's style was really a mixed bag for now. If you have any further questions, let me know in the comments, like and subscribe if this was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.